Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn that how we can use two advanced feature of Google search engine. So one of them is generative AI and the second one is Duet AI. In this video, we will explore these two features and we will see that how we can use these features for our research papers, thesis, dissertation, and anything that you want to write on or want to search on Google. So before moving to these two features, if you have not subscribed our channel yet, please do not forget to subscribe this channel. So let's see how we can activate these option on Google search engine. If we talk about the first option, which is generative AI, you can use this option to search anything on internet and you can ask follow-up questions. It's like asking from the AI to give us some answers, and will it will also provide you website links. But it first of all it give you the answer of your the question, or if you want to ask the research question to the Google AI, then you can ask from generative AI. And the second thing is that I've told you is Duet AI. You can use this feature to compose, to write, to draft email on Word document, or to write email on Google Gmail. And first of all, let's see how we can activate these two options on Google search engine. First of all, you have to go to this website, which is workspace.google.com labs sign up, and you can hit the enter button. You will see that I'm currently on the wait list, but one of the Google account is already attached with this option. So I'm going to use, first of all, it will ask you to attach or choose an account, or you can enter the details of your account that you want to link with Google Workspace. You can only use Google account here. So when you will try to activate this option, it will first ask you to give the details of your Google account, and then it will ask you to wait for some time, like 24 hour or 48 hours, and then this option will be activated onto your Google Workspace. I'm going to click on this option. Then I can see it will ask me to enter the password. So I'm going to mention the password here, and then I will see an option of like, okay, so here I can see that my account has been logged in, but second you can see the other details like, okay, so right now my account uh, has been logged in. If you are trying for the first time, then it will ask you that your account is on the wait list. It will be added into the Google Workspace for, I've already told you, like it will take and can take 24 hours or 48 hours. Then your account will be linked to the Google Workspace. One of my account is already attached with the Google Workspace, so I'm going to use that account to tell you that how you can use generative AI, Duet AI feature. And here, like I'm going to write something, I'm going to search something, what is M plus software. So if you can see this option on your Google Chrome, it means that generative AI option is already in your Google Chrome. You can click on this option and you can try click on the try an example, and it will give you an answer of your question. I'm going to ask another question like what is M plus, or you can ask any question, or you can write your research questionnaire question of your thesis. So first of all, the first half of your Google Chrome was allocated to is allocated to your question. You can click on the show more button, and it will ask also give you an option of ask follow-up questions. You can click on this option, and here you can ask different questions that you want to ask from the Google. So you can use this new feature of generated AI to search your research question or answer of your question. You can use this feature. It will make your searching more easier, more useful than ever before. So what is the next feature of Google that has been introduced? You can click on this option in like Google Apps. Here you can click on the Docs option. Okay, so what you will see, if you have already in the wait list, and even if your email is attached with Google Workspace. Now, if you want to write something on Google Docs, you want to do something on Google Slides, or you want to write formulas on Google Sheets, it will help you in all of these workspaces with AI. So how it work, you will see like help me write, you can make notes, you can use it for email draft, and there are many other features like you can click on the more option. So first of all, I'm going to click on this option. So the features will be appeared again. I'm going to ask him to help me write. So here it will ask me, like you can ask anything, write email, and it will start writing an email for you, and you can simply click on the insert button. It will automatically add it into your Word document. Secondly, what okay, it the email has been written, and you can simply click on the insert button. But if you want to do something else, like I have a research paper, or I am writing the literature review part of my thesis, I am writing my research paper, a research article, or I'm writing on dissertation or a thesis, you can simply paste anything or write anything and ask the Google AI, Duet AI to help me make it better. Like it can rephrase for you, it can make it shorter, and it can rephrase it or make it more better. So here I'm going to select an abstract from this paper, and I'm going to paste this abstract here. You will see this option at the left side, and I'm going to first of all select this whole abstract, and then going to click on this option. I'm going to ask it to rephrase or shorten it. So first of all, I'm going to ask it to short this whole abstract. So let's see whether it can do or not. It all depends on your internet speed. Okay, so currently you can use this feature if you have some less sentences than selecting the whole paragraph. I'm going to select some rephrase option. Let's see whether it can rephrase the whole abstract or not. So, okay, still learning. Okay, I'm going to select some less sentences, like I'm going to select these of these lines, and let's see whether it can rephrase them or not. Okay, so it work on less you can say sentences rather than the long paragraphs. It won't work because it's the experimental stage, and you can make to define in some other forms, like I can ask it to summarize it, or you can use the tone feature. One of the feature that I really liked about this AI, that you can ask this AI to make the tone formal or casual. The second option is that you can use it to elaborate. Like I'm writing something and I read something on another paper, and I could not understand what the author was saying. Then I can simply paste that information here and ask this feature to elaborate this information, so I can use um, that thing into my own paper. So I'm going to ask you to elaborate this, and it will help me. Like if I don't know what is authenticity, I can ask Google AI, Duet AI to explain what is authenticity, and it will explain, elaborate. Like here it has explained or elaborated this whole 3 or 4 lines into like 10 to 15 lines. So this is one of the best feature that has been introduced so far. If we found out that some new feature has been introduced, we will share with you. Do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.